Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a SharePoint online site. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a SharePoint site here on the platform should be approached with caution, as it permanently removes all the content and configurations associated with the site. Alright, now let me tell you, but before proceeding, ensure you have the necessary permissions to delete a site, because typically you need to be a SharePoint online administrator or a site owner for that matter, or have appropriate administrative permissions. Okay, so there are multiple ways for you to be able to do that. First is just go over to the site that you are currently working on. All right, and just hover to the upper right corner where it says settings. Click on the site permissions. All right, now here you have an option for the now once you have the admin privileges, all right, go again to the gear icon settings, click the site information. You see at the bottom, the privacy settings, private, only members can access this site. Now, you see, all you have to do is click this magic button, delete site, all right? Click on it and make sure you read and understand all of the information here. If you're about to delete the Andy's Guides group, this will delete all of the Andy's Guides resources, including the site, files, conversations, calendar, etc. So you need to back up any files or other content before proceeding. And if you want to continue, all you're going to do is click on delete. Just wait for a little bit. And now if you have like multiple problems with it, just hover to the error and work that out, all right? Otherwise, that's basically how you delete the site here on SharePoint. Now remember, deleted sites can be restored from the SharePoint online recycle bin within the retention period. After that, they are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Make sure again you have the appropriate permissions to delete as a site. If you encounter any permission issues, contact your SharePoint administrator or IT support team. And from there, you can effectively delete the SharePoint online site through the SharePoint Admin Center, ensuring all the necessary precautions are taken to avoid accidental deletion and potential data loss. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.